Hello students, welcome in Babita Science tutorial. Let's continue our chapter crop productions and management of a class 8 science. This is my part 9 of this chapter. In the previous topic I have explained many practices, agricultural practices. Now in the previous video we have explained about the crop protections and how the soil preparation like that. Now in this video I will explain you about the harvesting. This is the harvesting is also comes under the agricultural practices. Now harvesting, no, when the seeds ripen on the plants they are cut and gathered from the field. The process of cutting and gathering of a mature crop is called the harvesting. Very simple definition is given here. The process of cutting and gathering of a matured crop, okay, is called the harvesting. Mature crops mean what's student, when the cereal crops change their color to golden yellow at the time of the maturity, that is called the mature crops. Okay, now definition is a very easy. Harvesting means cutting of the crops and then gathering, okay, collection of a mature crop is called the harvesting. Now crop yield is to crop produced after harvesting. Crop yield means students production of a crop, okay, production of the or yielding of a crops is the crop produced after harvesting. After harvesting we will collect the collections of your crops or collections of a, we can say, crop yielding. Okay, now in the ancient time peoples can use a hand sickles. In the ancient time this is called students hand sickles, and this one is also one kind of the implement, that is the agriculture implements which we used for the cutting the crops. Okay, and this we can it is used by our hands, that's why here it is in a hand sickles, were used by the farmers to harvest their crops in ancient time. Okay, people take the in the ancient time people use the hand sickles and it takes some more time also, but nowadays people can use a tractor driven machine. Okay, that is called the harvesters. Harvester means in which time is taking very less and it will cut it or it will harvest the crop very fastly. That is the harvester is what students here. Harvester is the one kind of the machines which we used for the harvesting the crops. No, let's move on the another point, that is here is the thrashing. Then I hope you will understand the point here, harvesting, what is the meaning of the harvesting. Okay, very simple. The process of cutting and gathering of a mature crop is termed as the harvesting, and it is done by either hand sickles or by the tractor driver machine, that is called the harvesters. Okay, now comes to the point of the thrashing. Now student, when the farmers can cut the crops, okay, suppose that farmers can collect the crops, okay, cut gathering of a crops like this one, all are the getting after cutting. Okay, after cutting all the crops are on the land, on the all these crops are laying on the land. Then here thrashing. Again, thrashing is a word student here. Thrashing is a one kind of the process in which separating grains from the harvested crop. Student, this one is your harvested crops, no, and grains are attached here. Grains are attached here. Now, what they will do here, and this harvested crops are on the floor. So how they will separate this grain from this mature crops? Okay, let's see here. Then thrashing is the separation of a grains after harvesting. This is your definition. This one is about student here. This, thrashing is the separation of a grains after harvesting. Okay, now this is done by, okay, process is given here, done by beating the cut stalks against a hard floor. Okay, beating the cut stalks means this is your cut stalks. Okay, now beating, you will take the one stick, okay, and you will start to beat this harvested crop, okay, forcefully. Then what happened, these grains will be separated and this husk will be separated. Okay, but it takes a time, it's a ancient time method. Okay, in the ancient time people can use this method to separate the grains from the crops. Okay, from the mature crops. Then this is used in the ancient time. Now see here, in large farms, okay, in the large farms, mechanical thresher. The students, mechanical thresher is the what, one kind of the machine which are they used, and this separates grain from pieces of a straw and husk called the chaff. Now chaff is a what, student, I told you this is your mature crop. Okay, with the help of this mechanical thresher machine, they can separate the grains. Okay, so grains will be come here, and this husk or this stalk, okay, will be separated here. Then this husk, okay, and we can use the word here chaff, and this chaff is a very lighter, this chaff is a very lighter as compared to the this grain. Means this grains is a heavier and this chaff is a lighter. Okay, or in the another word we can use the uh, straw and husk called as bhusi. In Hindi we can also use the word bhusi. Okay, now in this way you can separate the grain pieces of a straw and husk, or called the chaff. Then you understand this one, mechanical thresher is a word, student. It is a one kind of the machine which we use to separate the grains from the pieces of a straw and husk called the chaff. Now so the chaff being lighter, I told to you the chaff being lighter, or in Hindi we can use the word bhusi. Grains is a separated from the stalk, okay, and chaff is a separated here. Grains is a heavier than the chaff. The chaff being lighter is a blown a little far away by the wind. Then the grains, which being heavier, fell off onto the ground. They are separate from the whole grain by a winnowing. The students, here again winnowing is one kind of the process. Winnowing is a one kind of the process. In this process, separating of a grains from the chaff, okay, and here with the help of a wind is called the winnowing process. Okay, and winnowing can also be done by a machine called the winnowing machine. Now student, I will explain like that. Okay, after harvesting, okay, and after threshing, what happened here, well, here this one is a grains is here, this one is a called, student, what, grains, this one is a grains. Okay, and in this grains chaffs are mixing. Chaff is a lighter, okay, lighter, okay, chaff is a lighter. Then what happened, when we pass the wind in this area, then what happened, this chaff is a lighter than the grain, then this chaff will be blown. Okay, in this way this chaff is separated from the grain and we get the grains only. So that process is called the winnowing process. Winnowing process which is done with the help of the wind. We can separate the grains with the help of the wind. That process is called the winnowing. Now see here students, here some machines name is given here. This one is a sickler, harvester, thresher, combine, and winnowing. See here, winnowing is doing here. This here, lots of grains and chaff is a present, and with the help of this wind is a blowing here. Then what happened? The chaff, which one is a lighter, gosi is a lighter, it was blown away, and only your grains are left here. So that process is called the winnowing. Okay, students. Now another point is here. Sometimes both harvesting and threshings are done simultaneously by using a machine called a combine. Yes, combine is a one kind of the machine which can helps in the harvesting also, and harvesting and cutting of the crops also, and threshing. Threshing is what, student? Threshing is the process in which we can separate the grains from the chaff. That combine machine is a helps in both harvesting also and threshing also. Okay. Now farmers plucked fruits and vegetable manually. Yes, farmers can take out the fruits and vegetable by hands also, and sometimes potato which is a present under the ground. Okay, under the ground they can need a special kind of the pickers for the harvesting. Okay. Now the cotton crop, with the help of the this one cotton strippers, it's a one kind of the machine which helps in removing the cotton fluff from the cotton balls. See here, they remove cotton balls of the plant and separate the fluffy cotton from its hard covering. Okay, now see here, cotton balls is a like that is a very hard, inside this one is a fluffy cotton. So with the help of the cotton strippers, you can easily take out this cotton fluffy. Okay, then it is also one kind of the machine. Now corn crops is done with the help of the pickers and huskers machine. Then pickers and husker machine is a one kind of the machine which helps in the picks the corns and separate the husk also. I mean, both are doing with the help of this machine, pickers and huskers. The student, this is all about the harvesting, and in our country many festivals are celebrated related to the harvesting. Okay, harvesting, and farmers are very happy when the period of the harvesting is coming, because in that time they feel very good, because you see here, after 3 to 4 months of a hard work, the sight of the golden fields of a standing crop filled the hearts of the farmers with joy. That's why they can celebrate this festival like Baisakhi, Bihu, Diwali, this one. The period of the harvest is a great joy and happiness in all India. The student, this is all about the harvesting. In the next video, I will explain to you the stories to crops. Till then, you can understand this harvesting topic and the others also, what I have discussed in my previous video. Till then, bye and have a nice day.